This is Raylene with Roots Restored Wellness. Are you ready to take the next step in your healing journey with healing pods? What are they? They are the simplest way to access immediate assistance through quantum healing. There are many different themes, and all you need to do is sign up for whichever one you want. Pick the duration. Do you want to go in the pod for 24 hours, 3 days, or 7 days? And then you'll get a boost in the support that you need for that duration of time. What are some of my clients saying about healing pods? Margie took the sleeping pod. She says, the sleeping pod has helped my sleep improve. I use an app each night due to snoring that started last year. My scores have been in the mid-70s all week. My score last month was 39. Reduced snoring and no sleep apnea while in the sleeping pod. And then Melissa has to say this about the pain pod. Yes, I used the pain pod before my migraine hit its peak yesterday, and wow, I took a nap for 2 hours afterward and I was able to have dinner with my family and be functional. Unfortunately, I've had to use the pain pod 3 times this month, all chakra related, but I'm extremely grateful to have this option to make my days much more pleasant. Also looking forward to the chakra session next week. So they are loving them, and there's pods on all different types of topics for different situations. Think of a pod as going to a spa day or going to get some type of immediate treatment like acupuncture or chiropractic. It's not exactly the same, but you're going for a targeted support in one area where you need immediate relief or support. That is what the healing pods are about, and they are a lot different than my group sessions. So if you're curious about the differences, find my video that is what is the difference between a pod and a group session.